Powertac T2C is the ultimate everyday carry light. Its great value, tiny size, and amazing 280 lumen maximum output with two CR123A batteries make it ideal for portable lighting to go everywhere your adventures take you. The T2C can also serve as a tactical light with its forward-click momentary switch and strobe function. Weapon-mounted or handheld, it gives the user confidence with its durability, shock resistance, and rugged build quality. The LED emitter is a premium Cree XP GR5. The bezel is made of stainless steel. There are 5 current regulated output levels. The T2C features a Type 3 hard anodized finish. It also features a sapphire coated lens. The Powertac T2C comes standard with a removable clip. The T2C also features IPX-8 waterproofing. The light is constructed from aircraft grade aluminum. The T2C is capable of standing up securely on a flat surface to use in the candle mode. The T2C length is 4.9 inches, the diameter is 0.87 inches, and the weight is 2.65 ounces without the battery. T2C brightness levels are 0.2 lumens for 695 hours, 24 lumens for 22 hours, 95 lumens for 3.5 hours, 280 lumens for 3 hours, and the strobe is 3 hours. Maximum brightness is 280 lumens for 1.5 hours during the strobe mode. All Powertac products feature a full lifetime warranty with no questions asked.